All right, let's set up email on your Android phone. The first step is to pick your email app. Most Android phones use Google's Gmail app as the default email application. And that's a great choice because it works with both Gmail account and other non-Gmail accounts like Outlook, etc. I'm going to use Gmail because it's the most common, but just be aware that you could do this in several different email apps. I'll swipe up to reveal the app drawer, and then I'll find my Gmail app from here. Sometimes I struggle to find the right app. You can use the search bar on the bottom if you're having trouble finding something. My Gmail is already logged into my Google account. If you end up straight into your inbox like I did, there's your email and you're all set. And for those of you that aren't logged in and need to actually set this up, I'll show you how that works. I'll go to my account up here and I can choose Add Another Account. This is what the setup would look like when you're starting fresh. You can pick your account type. Doesn't have to be Gmail. Pretty much any common email account will work. You'll choose your option from the list and then use your email and password to log in here. If you don't have an account yet, you can use the button below to create a new account, then use that account to log in here. And that's really it. Once you're logged in, you'll stay logged in and you can access your inbox through the Gmail app. You can also have multiple email accounts connected to the same app. Just use the button to add another account like I showed. And that's how you set up email on your Android phone. Click the like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.